Brand new model from Wider Yachts, the WiderCat 92, was presented for the first time in Venice, and this 28-meter catamaran is full of remarkable features. Two drop-down platforms opening onto the 67 square meter beach club with direct access from the VIP cabins. The main deck covers more than 100 square meters, and a rewarded designer, Luca Dini, is responsible for the exterior and interior design. Nearly half of the main deck takes the master stateroom with a beam comparable to a 12-meter wide body. The owners can enjoy private deck space attached to the suite. All cabins are generously sized. Two VIP cabins feature two platforms opening directly onto the beach club. Also, there is an en-suite double guest cabin on the lower deck. WiderCat 92 is offering the option of a 5-cabin design for the charter market. Heading upstairs, the upper deck sports a helm station, a sky lounge, and a generous alfresco dining space with the grill on the aft deck. The walkaround side decks, which are large, lead to the foredeck that the owner is free to customize and even place a jacuzzi. This catamaran has a combination of hybrid technology and solar energy with zero emissions, silent cruising. The boat will have a top speed of 15 knots and a range of 3,000 nautical miles at 8 knots.